Once again, welcome here in this online platform. Hope so you all are safe and healthy at home and doing your studies very properly and sincerely. Students, in the last video we have discussed about the various mode of nutrition. These are autotrophic as well as the heterotropic. So in this particular chain, now we are going to focus on the next point. What is this? That is photosynthesis. So we'll start by this particular point. What is photosynthesis? So photosynthesis is what? It's a process by which a plant makes its own food from carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Okay, so look at this particular plant. It's a plant, and what happened here? This is a sun, and by utilizing the sunlight, this particular plant, it is going to prepare its own food. Okay, so what is the meaning of the photosynthesis here? Means photo means light and synthesis means preparation, means anything is going to prepare here. So this process is called as photosynthesis. But what is going to prepare here? Yes, that is none other than the glucose. Glucose is going to prepare here. Okay, so what will be the things which are required? These are carbon dioxide, water, okay, sunlight will also be required, and chlorophyll. And what will be prepared in with this these particular references? These are glucose. It's a chemical reaction occur in leaf. So this is a chemical reaction. So carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll. What happened here? The formation of the glucose is going to take place. And what is going to release out? That is the most important thing. It's a oxygen. One more thing that is very important here. It is what? The glucose it is going to prepare here. Okay, first what will do, this plant, it will utilize this glucose for its own purpose. Okay, and the remaining glucose, it will be saved here in the form of the starch. So that it has mentioned here in this flow diagram. Glucose, it's a form of the carbohydrate. So it stored in starch. Carbohydrate means excess amount of the glucose. After utilizing this particular glucose by the plant, if it is going to remain there, so it is going to store in the form of the starch. This question is also coming in the examination, that glucose is stored in which form in the plant. So that is starch. Plant makes glucose by photosynthesis. It is sent to all parts of plant. Excess glucose is stored in the form of starch in fruits and leaves of plants. So where it is going to store? It is going to store in fruits and leaves. The photosynthesis process, it specially occur in the leaf. Inside of this particular leaf, special arrangement of special cells are present there. Just pay attention on the structure of the leaf. This is the structure of the leaf. It's a leaf. If we will zoom a specific particular portion of a leaf, then we will get this particular structure. So what happened in this structure? In the both, this is what? It is the top part of the leaf. It's a top part of the leaf. And this one is what? It is the bottom part of the leaf. In both the parts, what happened here? There is a thick layer that is known as cuticle. It is present there. Cuticle is also present at the top part, and cuticle is also present at the bottom. So in the structure of the leaf, cuticle is present here, and below the cuticle, the upper epidermis is present there. This epidermis is also present here below the cuticle of the lower surface. So that's why this is known as upper epidermis, and this one is known as lower epidermis. Between these upper epidermis as well as the lower epidermis, the special arrangement of the cells are present there. These specific cells are known as mesophyll. So what happened here? if you will pay attention toward a specific cell, so chloroplast is present here. It's a chloroplast. This big, it's a big vacuum-like structure, that is vacuole here. And one more important thing is what it is, cytoplasm is present there. So there are some specific points here. Just discuss these particular points. Structure of leaf. Cuticle is present at the top and bottom of the leaf. It's clear. Cuticle protect the leaf. What is the main function of this cuticle? It is going to protect the leaf, and that's why this is known as protective layer. Okay, it is protection. It is the protection layer. Cuticle also prevent loss of water. So there are two functions of the cuticle. First is what? Protection of the leaf, and second is to prevent the loss of water. And one more thing, mesophyll cells, these are specially also known as photosynthesis cells. Okay, these are very important cells because chemical reaction of photosynthesis are performed here. All the chemical reactions, they are going to perform here in this particular portion. This is the mesophyll cells. They are from here to here. These are spongy cell, and these are the palisade tissues. So next is what? Mesophills. These are the second name of mesophyll is what? So photosynthesis cells. Okay. Chloroplast is an organelle in mesophyll cell of plant where photosynthesis occur. So where the photosynthesis occur? It is occur here in this particular chloroplast. Okay. This is the chloroplast. Broadly, it is present in this mid portion, means mesophyll portion. And especially it is present in the palisade tissues. So chloroplast is very important substance present in the mesophyll. Now next important thing is what's a chlorophyll. It's a pigment which is going to provide the color to the plant. The leaves are looking green due to this particular pigment chlorophyll. It is a pigment present in chloroplast which absorbs sunlight for photosynthesis. Okay, absorption of sunlight, it's also very important function of this particular chlorophyll. Due to chlorophyll, the plant's leaves looks green. And teeny holes are present there in the surface of the leaf. So this stoma, it is a singular, and what is the plural of these particular stoma? That is known as a stomata. Okay, stomata are teeny pores on surface of leaves through which exchange of gases occur between atmosphere and leaves. So this is what? Photosynthesis process, CO2 in, O2 out due to stomata.